Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel for Nurses Preparation. I am Neeraj Kumar Kathal. Today we are presenting 50 blood key points. 50 important blood key points. This is class number 26. Let's begin. Rh antigen found upon red blood corpuscles. Universal donor known as the persons who having blood group O negative. Universal recipient person having blood group AB. INR stands for International Normalized Ratio. PTT stands for partial thromboplastin time. INR test is done to evaluate warfarin. PTT is related with the heparin drug. Malignancy of lymph nodes called Hodgkin's disease. In Hodgkin's disease, Reed-Sternberg cells are found. Normal blood pH 7.35 to 7.45. Blood is slightly alkaline. Normal cholesterol level in our body up to 200 mg per dl. Our blood contains average 55% of plasma. Plasma is a straw colored liquid that contains 90% of water. Remaining 45% part of the blood is made by the blood cells. Important: lifespan or life period of RBC is, in adults it is 120 days, in fetus 80 days. Bilirubin is a yellow pigment present in bile. Bilirubin formation occurs when the RBC become destructed. Erythropoiesis is a process in which RBC formation occurs. Erythropoiesis occurs in last 3 months of uterine life and whole extrauterine life. Bilirubin level 0.2 to 1.2 mg per dl. Normal bilirubin level 0.2 to 1.2 mg per dl. 1 gram hemoglobin contains 3.34 mg iron. 1 gram hemoglobin contains 3.34 milligram iron. Normal values of hemoglobin in different age groups. At birth, the normal hemoglobin value is 25. At 1 year of age, it is 17. In adult male, 14 to 60 is think to be normal value. In the female, adult female, 13 to 15 is a normal value of hemoglobin. Normal WBC or leukocyte count is 4000 to 11,000 per mm cube. Hematocrit, also known as packed cell volume PCV, volume of packed red cells VPRC, erythrocyte volume fraction EVF. Now let's see what is hematocrit. Hematocrit is a percentage of total blood volume occupied by RBC. Percentage of total blood volume occupied by RBC is known as hematocrit or packed cell volume. Increased WBC count suspect infection. Combination of carbon dioxide and hemoglobin known as carbaminohemoglobin. Carbaminohemoglobin. In our body, there is total 5 types of immunoglobulins are found. These are IgG, IgA, IgM, IgE, IgD. In all of them, IgG is a most abundant type of immunoglobulin. It makes 80% of the total immunoglobulin. In our body, T lymphocyte produces cellular immunity and the B lymphocyte is responsible for humoral immunity. Thrombocytopenia. Platelets, also known as thrombocytes. The word thrombocytopenia means abnormally decreased count of platelets. Abnormal decrease of platelet count known as thrombocytopenia. Second term is thrombocytosis. Thrombocytosis is a condition in which platelet count increases. What is the normal platelet count? Normal platelet count is 1,50,000 to 4,50,000 cells per mm cube. 1,50,000 to 4,50,000 cells per mm cube is a normal platelet count. TPA stands for tissue plasminogen activator. Tissue plasminogen activator. It is an enzyme that dissolves clots. Tissue plasminogen activator is an enzyme that dissolves clots. Neutrophil is a type of WBC. Neutrophil count increases in acute bacterial infection. Monocyte is also a type of white blood corpuscle. It is increased in chronic infection. Lymphocyte is also a type of leukocyte. It is increased in viral or chronic bacterial infection. Eosinophil also increased in allergic disorder like asthma. It is also a type of WBC. There are total 5 types of WBCs are present. These are basophils, eosinophils, neutrophils, lymphocytes and monocytes. Monocyte is the largest type of WBC. Its size or diameter 14 to 18 micrometer. It contains horseshoe shape or kidney shaped nucleus. Monocyte cells contain horseshoe shape or kidney shaped nucleus. IgM, immunoglobulin M, have pentameric structure also called millennial molecule. Hemoglobin, if combines with carbon monoxide, it is known as carboxyhemoglobin. Combination of hemoglobin with carbon monoxide known as carboxyhemoglobin. Normal ESR count. ESR stands for erythrocyte sedimentation rate. In males 5 mm in 1 hour, in females 7 mm in 1 hour, in infants 2 mm in 1 hour. Important terms. Hypoxemia. Hypoxemia is a condition in which oxygen quantity, oxygen amount decreases in arterial blood or blood stream. Hypoxia or anoxia is a condition in which lack of oxygen or oxygen count decrease in body tissue. Oxygen amount, if oxygen amount is decreased in blood stream or artery, it is known as hypoxemia. If oxygen amount decreases in body tissue, it is known as hypoxia or anoxia. Asphyxia is a condition in which insufficient intake of oxygen occurs. Z-track method of injection used to give intramuscular injections and for the drugs that causing skin irritations. After this injection method, never rub the injection site. Microcytic anemia. If the RBC cell size decreases from 7.2 micrometer, this condition can cause microcytic anemia. Hypochromic anemia is a condition in which amount of hemoglobin in 1 RBC below 30 picogram. Hypochromic anemia is a condition in which amount of hemoglobin in 1 RBC below 30 picogram. Folic acid used to prevent neural tube defect and megaloblastic anemia. So friends, these all are the important points from the blood. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you think this video is helpful, then please click upon the like button. Give your feedback in comment section. Please tell about this video and this channel to your friends and subscribe our YouTube channel for nurses preparation for more such interesting videos. All the best.